I've never done this before. I've never done a makeup tutorial. The first thing you do is you tie your hair back, pop that up like that, get it good. All right, makeup tutorial time. So, what's in my kit? I have actually got a bunch of kits right here. I have 2, and it's got 3 of these, like that one, like that one. It's super dark. I have that in my makeup bag because I do a lot of outdoorsy stuff with makeup on. I have 2 of these, which this one's softer. I have 2 of those. I call these pancake and waffle because one is just a little bit darker than the other one, but I don't remember which one is pancake. And I have one of those. I have this, which is caramel tester, not for resale. As you can see, it is a perfect match for my skin tone. It's not, but when you put it all on and you're just like, you cake it up. The trick to drop everything, the trick with this stuff here is you really wanna like get in your eye pits. I have big eye pits, and I know what you're saying. This looks really light, and that's fine. We don't mind that at all. You go, you do you. You just go as light as you need to go. I'm starting to look like that may be too much right there, but we'll see. Because we know with makeup, it's all about blending. Get it right up there, and then don't forget, see, if you look at me right here, I have some pretty incredible eye pits where the skin is like, there's like a hole like right in there. So just close your eyes, take this, like take the brush like this, hold it, like get a good grip on it and hold it and just jam it in like that. Again, hold it with a good firm hand and get it right into that eye pit. Kind of overdid it there. Ow. Ah. Am I right, ladies? This, believe me, looks normal. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now, when you have excess left on your brush, the trick to do is just take it and just clean it off like that. And that way, there's no waste, and it feels nice. Then what you want to do is this, which is a sponge, and you're supposed to wet it. Roxy, can you bring me a little cup of water, please? Thank you. You're supposed to wet it, and then when you wet it, it feels like a dog nose. Like, you know when like a dog will come up and they just like, they touch your face with their nose? Thank you, my love.
Welcome.
We'll do this, and then just give it a good squeeze like that. And then what I like to do is I start by dabbing in the eye pits. Don't worry about being aggressive. It's not gonna matter. We just spread, like your paint defense. Basically, you're just like taking everything you just did and ruining it, because that's what this does. Just take it and just ruin everything into the hairline. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that at all. It's a really nice feeling. If there's one lesson, one thing you can keep in mind from this tutorial is the most important part about makeup is to make sure the beard pops. A little bit right in here. That beard pops. It's sweating. Sometimes I'll just sit and go like this because this feels, when it's wet, it feels so good. There's really not much to it. Makeup is not that difficult. Don't let people tell you that it is. And then what we do is, this is my favorite brush. 1, because it's huge and I can cover a lot of area with it, and 2, it's so soft. It feels like a cat paw. So you take it like this, put it in there, give it a good shake, and paint her up. Don't be afraid too. This stuff's great. You just go crazy with this stuff. It's fine. And the most important part of a powder is how it smells. This stuff smells delicious. It's a job well done. You've done great. And now it's time to give yourself a little reward. And I like to just take the cat paw brush, sit, and just gently just go over everything you just did. because this feels so good. Between the eyes with this is like, it's amazing. And finish it off just like that. So that is my makeup routine. The most important part of this entire process, you just never wash it off. Because I never wash my makeup off. Ever. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out. That is the makeup tutorial that everybody has been asking for, right? Looks good. Leave a comment below. I would love to share tips.